Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix login error in Grubhub app on a device. So as we know that Grubhub makes it easier to choose your next meal with restaurant ratings and reviews. To get these features, you need to sign in, and if you are facing any kind of errors while logging in this device, this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. First thing, you need to make sure that your device is highly connected to a very stable and good internet connection so that you won't face any kind of internet issues while logging. And secondly, you need to go to your app store, or if you are an Android user, you need to go to your Play Store, because there might be various updates in app, so you need to update your app. After opening App Store, you can see the option search at the very bottom right. After clicking on that, you need to search the app which you are in need of, and that is Grubhub. And here you can see there is no any updates available in this app recently, so if there is any update available, you need to simply update your app and you can fix the login error. And also you can go to your settings and again click on the option general, and again click on the option iPhone storage, and there you can see the various apps, and you have to select the one individual app in which you are facing issues, and that is Grubhub. After clicking on this Grubhub app, there you can see the option offload app, which is highlighted in color blue, and you need to simply click on that. And after offloading this app, there will be the option reinstall app, which is also in color blue, and again you need to click on that, and within few minutes your app will be reinstalled on your device. And this is how you can solve or fix login error while logging in app. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.